Hi. I was gonna go beat up my friend. She's this cat. I don't like her that much. She's always meowing and talking stuff about me.
And she always too bossy.
Here she is right here. What are you talking about? I am a nice little kitty. I do not be mean to you, puppy.
Will you be bossy? Well, I'm afraid you're gonna have to be beat up.
Beat up? I will beat you up. Don't you talk to me like that. Meow!
Well, I'm going to do everything. I'm gonna be so angry. You're going to be dead.
You can't be angry at me. You know why? Do you know why you cannot be angry at me? I will throw up on you, go. I do not like. Take that.
Well, you do not know if you can handle the scratching of my paws.
The scratching of your balls? What are you talking about, little doggy? You are so, I do not know. Oh, yeah, I don't know what you are talking about.
No, I said paws. P-A-W-S. Paws.
Hey, I thought you were saying balls. Oh, I feel so silly. You know what that is.